Hello and a warm welcome to everyone. The only reason to give a speech is to change the world. The lines were said by John F. Kennedy. So, today I'm gonna speak about the act of kindness. My name is Christy Watson and I'm doing my MBA from LP University. So, I'm gonna take you back 1 year back to my experience of the corporate world. So, when I entered the corporate world a year back after my BBA, so there was an instance which changed me a lot. So I'm going to share this instance with you. It was a year back. So when I joined the corporate world, many of people told me that you should be mentally strong. The reason being because there's a saying called in corporate culture, people will crush you down to reach their way to the top. And when I heard this, I was really upset, kind of upset, because I didn't know why people had to crush people down to go their way to up in way to the top. Because if you do something, you deserve to go in you deserve to go up in your career. But it's not really fair that you crush someone and then you go to the top. So I'm going to tell you my story. What happened to me when I joined the corporate world. So when I joined a company, I was in the initial period. I was really good at work. So when I started, my team leader was very much attracted with the style of work I was doing. So after a couple of months, the my team leader realized that I had a good potential for working for more than that what I was working. So what he did was he got a good opportunity to present to a big company. There was a big client which was going to come to our company. So our manager gave this opportunity, to make the presentation and do all the research for the client to my team leader. But my team leader was very kind enough to give me that opportunity to make the presentation and do all the research for him. So his initial thought was like, I'm really impressed by the work style of mine. So he gave me that opportunity and said, if you do this, I'll let you do the presentation in front of the client, and that will be a great start for your boost for your career. So I took that opportunity and worked really hard day in day out, and I finally did it. I made the presentation. I did all the research what I had to do. Then the initial plan was I because I did all the research and I made all the presentation. The My team leader told me that, so since you have made all this, you should present the presentation when the client comes. So when the day arrived, I was very nervous and very excited also to make that presentation and present that presentation. But on that day, the team leader took over my presentation without any prior notice and told me that I'll take over the presentation since you are a beginner and you are new to the company. You should not do that. And I was really upset about the fact, because I put in a lot of effort to make that presentation and do all the research for the client. But still I was there, present in that area, in that room when the presentation was going on. And after the presentation, our client really liked the job, the presentation, and the research which what I did for the company. So after the presentation, the manager told my team leader that it was a great presentation, and also we got a very good feedback from the client. So after a day, we got the news that the client agreed and they have joined hands with our company. And the manager of my company was really happy, and he appreciated my team leader. But my team leader didn't utter a word, say that I had did all the work. and I didn't get any appreciation or any recognition for that work, which really hit me a lot. So from that day, I got to understand that people here are very, very naive and very harsh to others. So after all my hard work, my manager liked the presentation, and our client was really, really happy with the work and the effort we put in. So the team leader came to me and said, and guess what? My team leader was really, really happy with my work. But I didn't get any recognition then after, because my team leader presented that, and my team leader didn't even utter a single word to the manager that I had done all the work and the research and the presentation. And because of that, I didn't get any recognition or anything, any sort of appreciation for that work, and that really put me down. So, and my team leader got a promotion because of that work, because the client joined hand with our company. So my team leader got the promotion because of my work. So after that incident, I was very extremely disappointed with the work culture, the corporate work culture, which I was facing for the first time. I didn't know the corporate culture was so rude to the employees or the people who they are working for. So, so what I want to tell by through this video is about kindness. So kindness, as the slide says, kindness begins with me, us, you, everyone. So every single individual has to play a role to make the world a better place to live in, right? So I'll tell you one thing. We can find a lot many videos in the over the internet with the captions like random act of kindness, faith in humanity restored, and such with such titles. So I didn't understand why there's a captions like faith in humanity restored. I mean, we should not have reached that level that we have lost the faith in humanity. So by this speech, I want to tell you about the kindness. The kindness begins with me, us, you, and every single individual around us. If you go like I said in the previous slide, there's a lot many videos search in on the internet. If you Google and if you go to the YouTube, you will find these. If you type random kind of acts and the faith in humanity restored, you'll find all these videos are from the foreign countries people. I'll find a very few videos that are from our country, from India. I'm not saying the people in our country are very rude or unkind, but if we compare to other countries, our country people are little bit lacking behind when it comes to kindness. So what we can do? We can begin to be kind to others. So what is the solution as a management students? What we can do, or as a in a corporate world, what we can do is, so the question rises, what we can do. So I came up with a small and a decent idea, which I think people or the corporate world can look into it and make a difference, so that they can be so that people can start being kind to each others. So what I thought was, like, if you visit the old age homes and the orphanages, when you visit them, it brings an immense smile on their faces. They don't want gifts or foods or expensive items. They just want that there should be someone with them to sit and talk and share, smile, and their sadness and everything. So what I thought was, if we as a community or a corporate world or individual, what we can do is, once in a while, when we can visit the orphanages and the old age homes, to bring a smile and be kind to each other. So in this way, In this way we can fulfill the corporate world, or the companies can fulfill social responsibilities also. And also they can do is they can motivate their employees to go to these old age homes and the orphanage once in a while, and in return they can motivate their employees with some monetary benefits, which is not which can help them, which can help the employees to get motivated to be kind, and get take some time out for the old people and the orphan children's. And also a second way that the company can motivate their employees is granting a couple of leaves annually. So we have a very limited amount of leaves in the corporate world. So what the company can do is they can grant 1 or 2 leaves annually, so that so if they put time and efforts for their social responsibilities individually, or in a collective way of a corporate or a company, so they can grant some leaves, so they can be motivated for these acts of kindness. So by this video I'm going to tell that every small step of ours matters, because individually if we start working and start being kind to others, it will lead to other people being if we do this, if one person do a kind gesture to other person, the other person gets a mindset that yes, this person did a good thing for me, so I should also do a good thing further. So it's like a chain. If we do, and if we start doing be kind to others, it will keep on making a chain of kindness. So from this video I want to spread a word of kindness. I want to spread this tool which we can change the world from. So this tool is kindness, being kind to others. Thank you.